Okay, so welcome back to another video of Blender. And so I'll be talking about how to animate essentially any feature of Blender as a 3D animation. So let me just show you. So I'll be just using basic timeline for this one. This is a small tutorial. So you can use is, let's say I want to animate color. So I'm going to be going to preview. So you can actually just click this. You can animate color by just, going to shader editor, add a new material, and then you can just click I, and then you just scrub all the frame, maybe 50, change the color, and bam, I. And by the way, to see the keyframe, click this and click this, bam. And there you go. You got all of that. You can animate the color. That's amazing. So you can animate any value, any slider. Let's animate a slider. Maybe let's animate metallic. It's the easiest to do. I'm going to click I. I'm going to go to 60. I'm going to go to max. I'm going to go click here. And then let's look at this. Let's see how does it change. So it changed, and it changes the metallic nature also. That's amazing. Okay, you can also animate other properties. For example, you can animate, let's go here. Let's click here, and then I want to animate, let's see, this is available. No, I don't want to animate the cast right now. I want to animate, array. Array is a very simple and annoying one. You can because it has tons of features. So let's actually do this one. You can animate the slider. By the way, you can just click I, and you can go maybe like 20 frames, and then click 5, and you can animate that. So now it slowly increases by animation, and it changes color too. You can also animate checkboxes. So I can click this, okay, offset, and you can and then you can go over here, enable this, and click I. So now, as you can see, if you go over here, the checkbox is not enabled, and now it's enabled. That's amazing. So essentially, you can animate anything. It's a very basic tutorial. I'm not sure if you can animate this. Let's see if I can animate this. And no, you cannot animate that. But yeah, hide view port property is not available. It'll give me an error. You can animate anything. You can animate this also normals auto smooth. If you want to animate, you can animate that. So you can animate essentially anything in the entire thing, almost everything. You can animate materials, you can animate color, you can animate modifiers, you can animate sliders, anything essentially. Few things are not there available because then it'll ruin the functionality of Blender. And all you have to do is just click I to test if it works or not. So yeah, simple as that. Thank you for watching. This was a very basic tutorial. See you next time on the next video.